Hey everyone, Laura from the Slite team here, and I wanted to show you a little bit how we run meetings at Slite. We're a remote company, so meetings are very important times, so we make sure that they're always very valuable and that we get the most out of them. So I think the number one thing is that every team at Slite documents their meetings. They all have in their own section, in their workspace, a specific place for these meetings. And then all these meetings, they're always prepared. So there's a very important part of preparing that meeting, which is about updating the team, reporting, writing down anything that might be important for everyone to have context before the meeting. And most of all, this is not meant to be the focus of the meeting. It's meant to be read before so that the meeting can actually be all about the agenda items, which are centered around discussions, decision-making, collaboration, but not, this is what I've done last week, this is what I'm doing this week. And then, of course, we write down action items based on the discussions we're having and making sure that we're documenting all of that. Sometimes we prepare meetings and we realize there's nothing on the agenda. There's only things to be updated about. So that's okay. You can skip the meeting this time and have the meeting next week. Maybe there'll be something on the agenda then. But I think the agenda test is really super useful to know if you should be meeting or not at all. And then finally, the way we make these meetings part of a routine and make that easier for everyone is that we have a template that automatically creates itself weekly at 9 on Mondays, so that the people who are part of the meeting, the participants, can go and prepare ahead of time before the meeting later down that day. So those are some of the ways that we, try to make meetings more efficient, save time on preparation, and get focused on working together and collaborating. So we have a template that you can use, and we hope that this quick explanation helped you to see how you can put it in action.